Hello, and thank you for joining me. My name is Nick. I'm a senior IT developer for Pronova Technologies Inc. Today we're going to be going over the PNT DB engine fresh out of the box. We're on version 1.00. We're going to go over on this video on how to download, install, and license the PNT DB engine. And the PNT DB engine is required to be set up for use for the PNT ERP software. So to get started, we just got a VM environment here that we're going to be using for this video. Start off by going to portal, pronovatech.com. If you don't have an account, you can go ahead and register here. We already created one, so we're going to log in with that one. And in order to download the software, you will have to have an account with the portal. Once we're logged in here, we're going to go ahead and go to software. And we're going to select our PNT DB engine. We're going to purchase a license for it. You only need one license, which can handle a multitude of PNT ERP programs connecting to it. In this case, we're just going to do one. Go ahead and check out. And in this process here, normally you would go through and fill out all your information here. We have a card on file for this account for demonstration purposes. I'm going to go ahead and just select that and continue. Don't pay attention to the price, as this should be reduced once the software is officially live. Again, this video is just for demonstration tutorial purposes. So I'm going to go ahead and subscribe here so we can get our one license for the program so we can download it and get it started. Once you subscribe here, just go ahead and wait for the redirect. If you get ahead of yourself there, and you go ahead and go to the software and download it if you wanted to. But in this case, we're just going to download it here. You can also grab the software. If you go back to softwares, go to the details, you can download it here as well. Once the software is downloaded, it's going to be a zip file. We're just going to go ahead and browse to the folder where it's downloaded to. We're going to go ahead and extract all. And you can download it to wherever you want, extract it wherever you want. Once it's extracted here, we're going to go ahead and run the setup file here. The setup you want to run instead of the MSI installer. This will guarantee that if you need SQL, local DB, or .NET 4.8 or anything like that, it'll automatically install that for you. But you'll come to this here if you don't have the Server 2017 Express installed, so we're going to go ahead and just accept that. And depending on your computer performance, hardware, etc., this can be slower or faster. Alright, we're just going to next through this. Go ahead and close. And that's it. So our software is now installed. I'll go ahead and minimize all that. If we go to our account software licenses, we can see that we have one license available here that has not been issued. We're going to minimize our website for now and bring up our PNT database engine. And that includes how to download and purchase a license for the database engine. Activating the license now. To activate, we are going to, with the program open, click on the license activate software here. Now this will be on your portal. If you log into your account, you can go to accounts here. When you create an account, you can choose to set up your own authorization password or keep the default that self-generates for you. It's highly recommended not to have this the same as your login for the portal. That way, if you need to give this to end users or somebody else, they can activate licenses as needed without gaining access to your portal to manage the payments, methods, all that type of stuff. In this case, we're going to go ahead and we'll start by copying the email address. In this case, for the demo, we're using our support. Grab temp, throw it in our app passcode. And I'm just alt-tabbing between the screens here, just kind of speed up the process. Once you have that information entered there, we go ahead and activate. And your license is now active. So once your license status is activated, all you need to do is start the PNT DB engine. If you try to start it without licensing it, it'll give you a message saying obviously you have to license your software prior. So with the service started and running, we can see now that Our listeners are up and running, and that's it. With that being done, we are at this point active with our PNT database engine. Thanks for joining me.